Aynsley Cottage Garden, a cake serving or sandwich serving plate. Is it square or is it a hexagon? We've listed it as a square with extended eared handles, but it could equally be described as a hexagon with those six sides almost equal in length. Cottage Garden has this lovely floral decorative pattern with the six blocks of outer rim detailing as well. Orangey red butterfly on this particular one. Those rotated rib mouldings coming up around the rims, ending in that sort of scalloped rim, and then the moulded eared handle details on this one as well. It's in absolutely fine condition. I don't think it's been used at all. There isn't a knife mark on it, and actually on the rear you can see the period late 20th century Cottage Garden mark, and it's still got its sticker on from when it was sold. So I don't think this is being used at all. It's in mint condition, really. Nice piece of Aynsley, unusual cake plate. They made these in different shapes and sizes over the relative long period of production of Aynsley Cottage Garden. So an interesting one for collectors to look out for and to add to their collection. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website under the description link below. Do have a browse through our Aynsley Cottage Garden piece of China collection. We've got lots of interesting bits and bobs coming on with some quite unusual shapes. Thanks for watching.